Hello, welcome back to the channel. This week we're doing a great British favourite. We're doing a cottage pie. Lovely on these cold winter evenings, and it tastes even better the next day because it's had a time to fulfil its flavour. Anyway, what's the difference between a cottage pie and a shepherd's pie? It's the shepherd. No, not really. Cottage pie, you use beef. Shepherd's pie, you use lamb. So for today's recipe, we're using beef. Follow along and I'll show you how to do it. See you in a minute. There are some things about the winter that I really like. One of them is a chance to eat heartwarming cottage pie. First thing, grate a carrot, some celery and an onion. Put some good quality olive oil into a pan and gently fry until cooked. Next, add salt and black pepper. Add the beef mince. And then for this recipe I'm using 500 grams. Put in some Worcester sauce and then also some Dijon mustard. Then add 500 ml of beef stock. Now then, this is a really important step. You must let this go cold before you go any further. Now what you do is you strain the mince and you put the liquid aside to be used for your gravy later. Cook some potatoes, fluffy ones like Maris Pipers or King Edwards. Add some whole milk, butter and salt and white pepper. Nobody likes to see black bits in their potato. Taste it and make sure it's okay. And then let these potatoes go cold as well. Spread the potatoes over the mince nice and evenly, and then drag a fork over to rough it up, and then add some butter and cook in the oven for 30 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. And then enjoy this classic dish. Hello, welcome back. Cooked it, lovely cottage pie. It's a dish made for the winter. It really is a classic British dish. And this one is Mum's secret recipe. I'm sure you'll enjoy this, so please make it, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks for your filming, Jack. Bye.